What's the best crop to grow when starting a commercial greenhouse? This is one of the most common questions. It's a great question, and choosing the right crop can set you up for faster profits and fewer headaches. Let's break it down and also later check some common mistakes beginners make. I'm Dragan, an engineer with 20 years of experience designing and building large-scale commercial greenhouses. There is no universal answer because the best crop depends on your situation. There are few key factors to consider. Market demand. What crops are selling in your local area and through your target buyers? Climate and region. Some crops thrive in warm climate, others prefer colder conditions. Startup budget. High-tech crops often require a larger investment. Crop cycle. Shorter cycles mean faster returns. Labor and management. Simple crops are easier for beginners when it comes to labor and management. Infrastructure needs. Some crops need advanced systems like heating, cooling and automation, so be careful about it. Get those cleared and you are already ahead from beginners. Now let's look at few crops that are popular and smart choices for new commercial greenhouse growers. Lettuce and leafy greens. They are fast-growing, high-demand year-round. Simple to grow in hydroponics or soil. Low-risk, quick harvest cycle. Tomatoes. They have high yield, excellent profit margins with proper care. More complex in terms of climate control and support. Their growth for growers ready to invest in a full greenhouse setup and bigger greenhouses. Cucumbers. Fast yields, usually with high market demand. Sensitive to temperature and humidity but manageable. Good profits with moderate complexity. Strawberries. This is an option for advanced beginners. High value per kilo. Requires more precise climate control and pollination. Better suited for beginners with some experience. If you're just starting and want a crop that's low risk, easy to manage and offers fast returns, leafy greens like lettuce is a great option. They're affordable to produce, grow quickly and have steady demand from restaurants, stores and local markets. This makes them perfect for learning how to run your systems and build confidence in production. But if you already have some experience with greenhouses or you're planning to build $1 million project or more, go with tomatoes. But tomatoes only. Tomatoes have excellent profit potential in a big enough greenhouse, but they require more precise climate control, pruning and support systems. The key here is focus. Don't try to grow too many crops. Specializing in one, like tomatoes, makes operations more efficient and your returns more predictable. Before we wrap up, here are a few mistakes I see often. Jumping into a crop just because it's trendy, without market research. Overcomplicating your greenhouse setup too early. Uncertainty about which systems are essential and which are not. Skipping a proper feasibility and cost analysis. Starting too big. Avoid this and you'll save time, money and frustration. If you're planning a greenhouse or wondering which crop is right for you, contact me. I'm happy to answer your questions and help you get started. And if you'd like to hear about $1 million tomato greenhouse I was working on, which had only 1 year return on investment, send me an email. The link is in the description below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.